Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to build a real-time chatbot in Python using Groq's blazing fast LLaMA 3 model. With just a few lines of code, you will be chatting with the 70 billion parameter model in seconds. Let's dive into it. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed from the python.org website, a terminal or a code editor like VS Code. Get your API key from groq.com. Go to the developer section, select the free API key, simply log in with your Google account. Go to API keys, create API key, write the name of your project here, submit and copy the API key and paste it in the code. Before writing the code, let's first install the Groq SDK by simply entering it installed Groq. After this is done, we are good to go to write the code. Open editor, create a Python file. Here I have created a main.py file. Simply copy paste the code in it. This code helps to connect the Groq and stream responses. So how it works, the chatbot sends user input to Groq LLaMA 3 model. Streaming lets you see the reply word by word in real time. In your terminal, run Python and your file name. Now type the messages like, let's say, tell me a fun fact. Okay, our code is now working. That's great. Let's test with some more questions like capital of USA. Yeah, so it is working. The response will stream instantly thanks to Groq's ultra low latency. If you want your chatbot to have a unique style, you can just add a system message like this. In this example, I have written that you are a simple Indian chatbot so that the program or the chatbot behaves in that manner. You can simply write that you are a funny or a sarcastic assistant. So the message of that chatbot or the AI will be in that direction. You can also customize the tone in to make it more formal, emotional, or educational. Let's say you're developing a custom LLM based application like a coding assistant. You can simply mention that you are an expert programmer that helps to write a code for a developer. Or in another case scenario, if you are developing an application for a particular domain, let's say healthcare, education, agriculture, you can mention that so that LLM or that particular chatbot have more context or more knowledge around that field and the message would be more concentrated or more directed towards that domain. And that's it. You have just built a real-time streaming chatbot using Groq plus Python in under a couple of minutes. If this video helped you, please leave a like, hit subscribe and let me know what chatbot features you want next. Thanks for watching and happy building.